Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. I hope you all are doing well, and you must be knowing that Union Budget 2022-23 is out. I hope you all have seen the budget as it was live telecasted on all the news channels, and now technology helps us to hear and know what is happening in the world around. So I am here to tell you the key highlights from the Union Budget 2022-23. I will be telling you the highlights related to the taxes and then the general highlights. As a company secretary and a CA finalist, I will be telling you what are the key takeaways from the Union Budget 2022-23. Starting with the first one, no change in the personal income tax slab rates. So income tax slab rates, that means the slab rates for the individuals and others stays the same. There is no change in that. No change in the personal income tax slab rates. They stay the same as they were in the last financial year. Second tax change proposal is for the cooperative societies, in which it is proposed to change the alternate minimum tax from 18.5% to 15% and to change the surcharge for the cooperative societies with the income more than 1 crore but less than 10 crore from the present 12% to 7%. These are the two tax changes that are being proposed in this budget 2022-23 for particularly the cooperative societies. The third change relates to the corporate surcharge, in which it is proposed to change the corporate surcharge from 12% to 7%. Fourth one is 30% tax rate on virtual digital assets. Now this is one of the categories that had real changes in terms of tax rates, as it is 30% tax rate on virtual digital assets, and also the gifts of digital assets will also be taxed, and there will be no deduction whatsoever except the cost of acquisition, and TDS at the rate of 1% will be deducted from the transaction value. This change will definitely impact the virtual digital assets. The fifth change is for the state government employees, in which the tax deduction limit to NPS account for the state government employees is raised from 10% to 14% to bring them in line with the central government employees. So just like the central government employees, the state government employees will also get the deduction to NPS account at the rate of 14% instead of 10%. The sixth proposal is for the surcharge of the long-term capital gain. The long-term capital gain surcharge is to be capped at the rate of 15%. In the next point, I'll tell you the provision for the new updated tax returns. That is, the taxpayers can now file the updated returns within a period of 2 years. Basically, these updated tax returns will enable the taxpayers to correct any kind of errors that they had within a period of 2 years. In the next point, I will tell you that now the gift of cryptocurrencies will be taxed in the receiver's end. So basically, the person receiving the gift will pay the taxes on the cryptocurrencies. The next two proposals are relating to the custom duties. So basically, the custom duties at umbrellas is raised at the rate of 20%, and the custom duties on cut polished gemstones is reduced at the rate of 5%. Now these are the 10 key tax related proposals that came up in the Union Budget 2022-23. Other than these, the general highlights of the budget were the RBI proposed to issue the digital currency. Another interesting highlights were e-passports and 5G technologies, which will be rolled out in the year 2022-23. Other than that, the e-Vidya scheme, which will provide one TV channel to one class for promoting the supplementary education, as students are losing the formal education due to COVID-19. By this, it will promote the supplementary education, and it will not let the COVID hamper the education of the students. The last highlight that I really liked is the launch of the National Tele-Mental Program for the mental health counseling, which I think is the need of the hour. People really face such problems, and having such a program will really be helpful for people at all stages, not just kids but also the youth and also the elder people. So in this way, they can actually look after their mental health and get the mental health counseling. So these are the highlights of the budget 2022-23. Do let me know how did you found the budget? I will soon be posting a video on the analysis for the Union Budget 2022-23. What did I like in this budget and what do I think about this budget? I'll soon be posting that, and to stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell icon right next to it so that whenever I post any video, you get notified. And if you're somebody viewing me for the first time, feel free to check the content I create and feel free to hit the subscribe button and help me grow my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and keep the updations on. Bye.